Welcome back everyone, it's Your Name aka Bjorn Ole. And today we're diving deep into a topic that's both fascinating and honestly kind of mind-blowing, the hyper-exponential growth of AI. Now, you've probably heard a lot about AI lately. It's everywhere, right? But what's really interesting is not just how fast it's improving, but it's improving. We're talking about self-reinforcing loops, compounding gains, basically AI getting better at getting better. Think about that for a second. Normally progress is kind of linear, right? You put in the work, you see results. But with AI, it's like the more it learns, the faster it can learn. And that's where things get really interesting. So today we're going to break down some of the key factors driving this hyper-exponential growth. And trust me, you're going to want to stick around for this. We're talking about the future of technology here, and it's moving faster than ever before. Okay, so imagine an AI system that's designed to optimize itself. It analyzes its own code, its own processes, looking for ways to be more efficient, more accurate, more powerful. Now, the first few iterations, maybe it makes some small tweaks, nothing groundbreaking, but here's the thing, each improvement, no matter how small, sets the stage for the next one. So the AI is now slightly better at optimizing itself. It can analyze more data, test more solutions, and implement changes more effectively. This means the next round of improvements is even bigger, and then the next round is bigger than that. You see where I'm going with this? It's like a snowball effect, but instead of snow, it's pure learning and optimization compounding over time. And that's what we mean by recursive self-improvement. It's AI that's not just getting better, but getting better at getting better. And that's a recipe for some truly mind-blowing progress. Now let's talk about how AI systems learn. Unlike traditional software, where you have to program in every single rule and instruction, AI learns from data. And the more data it has, the better it gets. But here's the really cool part. Once an AI model has learned something on one dataset, it can often apply that knowledge to a completely different task. This is called transfer learning, and it's one of the key reasons AI is advancing so rapidly. Think about it. Every time an AI system learns something new, it's essentially adding to the collective knowledge base of all AI. It's like each new AI model is building on the shoulders of giants, inheriting the wisdom of its predecessors. And as this knowledge base grows, so too does the potential for even more groundbreaking breakthroughs. We're talking about AI that can understand language, recognize images, make predictions, and even generate creative content, all because it's learned to connect the dots in ways we never could have imagined. All right, so we've talked about how AI learns, but none of this would be possible without the insane amount of computing power behind it. Training these massive AI models requires serious hardware, GPUs, TPUs, you name it. And this is another area where we're seeing exponential growth. Think about Moore's law, the idea that the number of transistors on a microchip doubles roughly every 2 years. That's been driving the tech industry for decades, but with AI, it's like Moore's law on steroids. We're seeing new chips and architectures specifically designed for AI workloads, and they're getting more powerful and more efficient all the time. And as the hardware gets better, it unlocks the potential for even larger and more complex AI models. It's a virtuous cycle. Better hardware enables better AI, which in turn drives demand for even more powerful hardware, and so on. It's like a high-stakes game of technological leapfrog, and the pace is only accelerating. Chapter 4. Automated AI Model Generation, or AutoML AI Building AI. Now here's where things get really meta. What if we could use AI to build even better AI? That's the promise of AutoML, or automated machine learning. Essentially, we're talking about AI systems that can design, test, and optimize other AI models without much human intervention. Imagine a world where you don't need to be a coding whiz to create a cutting-edge AI system. You just feed your data into an AutoML platform, and it does the heavy lifting for you, finding the best algorithms, tuning the parameters, and spitting out a model that's ready to go. And as AutoML technology improves, it's going to democratize access to AI, allowing anyone with a good idea and a data set to harness its power. This means we can expect to see an explosion of new AI applications in every field imaginable, from healthcare to finance to entertainment. Chapter 5. Data growth and self-learning capabilities, the fuel of the AI revolution. Now, we can't talk about AI without talking about data. It's the fuel that powers the entire AI revolution. Every interaction we have online, every sensor reading, every social media post, it's all data that AI can learn from. And the amount of data being generated is absolutely staggering. We're talking about zettabytes of data. That's a 1 followed by 21 zeros. And it's not just the volume of data that's important, but the variety. We're seeing more and more data from sources like IoT devices, wearables, and even self-driving cars, which is giving AI a richer understanding of the world around us. And as AI models get better at understanding data, they can start to learn without explicit human labeling. This is called self-supervised learning, and it's a game changer. It means AI can learn from the vast amounts of unlabeled data out there, which is like unlocking a whole new level of intelligence. Chapter 6. Human-AI collaboration and tool building, the power of partnership. Now, some people worry that AI is going to replace humans altogether, but I think the real future lies in collaboration. As AI systems become more powerful, they can actually help us to be more productive, more creative, and more effective. Think about it. AI can handle repetitive tasks, analyze massive data sets, and identify patterns that humans might miss. This frees us up to focus on higher-level thinking, problem-solving, and innovation. It's like having a superpowered assistant that can augment our own abilities. And as we work alongside AI, we're also getting better at designing tools and interfaces that make it easier to interact with and understand. It's a two-way street. AI is learning from us, and we're learning from AI, creating a virtuous cycle of co-evolution. Chapter 7. Specialized AI and modular systems, the rise of the AI specialists. Now, just like human experts specialize in different fields, AI systems are also becoming increasingly specialized. We're seeing the emergence of AI models that are specifically designed for tasks like natural language processing, image recognition, or even playing complex games. And these specialized AI systems are getting really good at what they do. They can often outperform humans in their specific domain, which is leading to breakthroughs in areas like medical diagnosis, financial modeling, and even scientific discovery. But here's the really interesting part. These specialized AI systems can also be combined into larger, more complex systems. It's like building with Lego bricks. Each module has its own unique capabilities, and by connecting them in different ways, we can create AI systems that are greater than the sum of their parts. Chapter 8. Societal feedback loops and economic incentives, the AI gold rush. Now let's talk about the big picture for a second. As AI systems become more capable, they're starting to have a real impact on the economy. Businesses are using AI to automate tasks, improve efficiency, and create new products and services. And as AI creates value, it attracts investment. Companies are pouring billions of dollars into AI research and development, hoping to be at the forefront of this technological revolution. This creates a positive feedback loop. More investment leads to more innovation, which leads to more value, which leads to even more investment. It's like an AI gold rush, and everyone wants a piece of the action. And this influx of resources is only going to accelerate the pace of AI development, leading to even more groundbreaking breakthroughs in the years to come. Chapter 9. Exponential increase in research knowledge and techniques, the AI knowledge explosion. Finally, let's talk about the research community. AI is a hotbed of innovation right now, with new papers, algorithms, and techniques being published at an astonishing rate. It's like the entire field is collectively leveling up, and the pace of discovery is unlike anything we've ever seen before. And here's the thing about scientific progress. It builds on itself. Every new breakthrough, every new insight opens up new avenues for exploration. It's like we're constantly expanding the frontiers of what's possible with AI. And as we learn more about how to build and train AI systems, we're also getting better at teaching others. Universities are creating new AI programs, online courses are making AI knowledge more accessible, and a new generation of AI researchers and practitioners is emerging, ready to push the boundaries even further. Outro, the future is now navigating the hyper-exponential age of AI. So there you have it. We've covered a lot of ground today, but hopefully you have a better sense of just how rapidly AI is evolving. It's not just about incremental improvements anymore. We're talking about exponential growth, self-reinforcing loops, and a future where AI transforms virtually every aspect of our lives. Now, I know this can be a lot to take in. It's exciting, it's mind-blowing, and yeah, can be a little bit intimidating too, but the important thing is to stay informed, stay curious, and stay engaged. The future of AI is being written right now, and it's up to all of us to shape it in a way that benefits humanity. So keep exploring, keep asking questions, and most importantly, keep believing in the power of technology to make the world a better place. Until next time, this is Your Name, aka Bjorn Ole, signing out.